Today's video is TONEX versus Boss GX-100, which multi-effects processor is better. Choosing the right multi-effects processor can transform your guitar tone without overwhelming complexity. We'll look at TONEX's AI-driven approach and Boss GX-100's classic hardware features. TONEX and Boss GX-100 are both multi-effects processors, but differ fundamentally. TONEX uses AI-powered modeling and software flexibility, while Boss GX-100 is a dedicated hardware unit with traditional stompbox-style effects and real-time control. TONEX is an AI-driven multi-effects processor developed by IK Multimedia, designed to deliver highly realistic amp and effects modeling through software. It works by leveraging advanced neural networks to replicate the sound and response of classic amps and pedals. Users connect TONEX via USB to their computer or compatible devices, accessing a wide range of customizable tones and effects through an intuitive interface. Its strengths include near-authentic amp simulation, deep editing capabilities, and regular updates that expand its sound library. However, TONEX depends on external hardware like a computer or audio interface, which may not suit players seeking an all-in-one standalone unit. It's ideal for musicians who want studio-quality tones, flexibility in sound design, and integration with digital recording setups. TONEX excels in delivering diverse sounds from clean to high gain, making it perfect for home recording, streaming, or live performances with a laptop. Boss GX-100 is a compact, dedicated multi-effects processor that combines traditional stompbox-style effects with amp modeling in a rugged hardware unit. It offers real-time control with foot switches and knobs, enabling players to tweak sounds on the fly without needing a computer. The GX100 features a variety of effects including distortion, modulation, delay, and reverb, alongside amp and cab simulations. Its strengths lie in its portability, ease of use, and reliable hardware performance, making it a solid choice for gigging musicians. Limitations include less flexibility compared to software-based processors and a more limited range of tones and editing options. The Boss GX100 is ideal for guitarists who prefer hands-on control, want a plug-and-play solution, and need a durable unit for live settings. It balances classic Boss effects with modern modeling, providing consistent tone without the complexity of software setups. Comparing TONEX and Boss GX100 highlights two distinct approaches to multi-effects processing. TONEX offers unmatched flexibility and sound quality through AI modeling, but requires a computer and audio interface, which may limit on-the-go use. It's perfect for studio work and precise tone crafting. Boss GX100, on the other hand, is a self-contained hardware unit that delivers instant access to effects with tactile controls, ideal for live performances and simplicity. While TONEX excels in versatility and evolving sound libraries, GX100 shines in reliability and ease of use without additional gear. For players prioritizing portability and straightforward operation, GX100 is advantageous. Those seeking expansive tone customization and integration with digital workflows will benefit more from TONEX. Choose TONEX if you want cutting-edge AI-driven tone shaping, deep customization, and studio-quality sound integrated with your digital setup. If you need a rugged, standalone multi-effects processor with classic Boss tones and hands-on control for live playing, the GX100 is the better fit. Both excel in their domains, so select based on your playing style and setup preferences.